Hi guys, it's Mother's Day. Let's do a little surprise for my mom friends. Let's make them cry on Mother's Day. Let's prepare a flower bouquet. So I was doing a flower bouquet for my mom friends on Mother's Day. So I handcrafted the card and I wrote a little "You're doing an amazing job," and then I put the kid's name and a happy Mother's Day, and that was it. Yeah, watching my friends do an amazing job with their kids, it was, a pleasure, giving them flowers while they're still here. So, I mean, they've been doing an amazing job. I just needed to, encourage them, to keep moving. Because motherhood is not easy, y'all know that. So, yeah, I just needed to, I just did this, to put a smile on their face, and they were super happy. So guys, this is like my first time doing a flower bouquet, and I think I really did amazing. And I'm not selling flowers though. I just did it for my friends, and yeah, that was it. Y'all tell me how I did in the comment section. Thanks.